Hey there, I'm Isabel, and today we're taking out the old engine, so let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect everything that's connected to the engine.
Didn't do? We didn't disconnect the battery. There we go. This is disconnected. Oh, these are so brittle. This just fell right out. Oh my gosh.
The whole time.
This whole thing just fell right. Oh, look at this fresh fluid. Let's pull her out. Ready? You need to get me unstuck. So, what size socket did you lose?
I didn't lose it. We just
What's?
pinned
Hold
it
on,
me.
hold on. Let's see. Let's take a look. What's missing here? A number 10 and a number 11. How did we lose both of them? So that's usually super hot. It's called a heat shield. All right, where's it stuck? There you go. Ooh, it's dirty. And it's cross-threaded. So we're gonna have to clean this up. Okay. Here we go. And this is out. This we're gonna remove with the engine. AC is officially disconnected. We want to get that. Oh, this one wasn't even screwed in. whole thing came out. Okay. All right, well that's free. They connected this together. Instead of putting it in here, that's for the heater core, they just bypassed it completely. So technically, I should take it off. Let me take it off. Ow. There we go. All right, let me disconnect it. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Everything is so brittle. All right, I'm assuming this is going over there. All right, we're gonna disconnect this when we pull the engine. There you go, this is disconnected. There we go. We gotta fix this. That cannot be a standard size bolt, because I think we're gonna transfer that alternator. What we can do is we can take the alternators to the shop and test which one's better. Please don't leak, please don't leak, please don't leak. It's not leaking.
Here we're using a cork from a wine bottle. We drilled a hole and used an old glove to make sure no debris falls into the fuel line.
There we go. And done. Yeah, there you go. There it is. Shorter. Okay. Bottom left. It's out, it's out, it's out. Ah, I got it. Yes, success. There you go. Lefty loose. Cut.
Can you make sure that I'm not?
Let's. Well, now give it a lift. Lift. Oh, it's definitely disconnected now. Let's do a little lift. Up. Up. Ouch, look at this. Up. That's it. Oh, we're separated. We are, except this one. We got a couple that we still have to disconnect. Okay. We have to. Shit. Okay. Disconnected. That is disconnected now. Okay. Starter is on the floor. Okay. Now I don't know how this connects. We're still connected in here, but we have space. Okay, pump it up. Go ahead, up. There it is. Oh, shit, what did we break? A ground wire. See it right here? Alright, we have to figure out where that goes. Here we go. Here we go, all the way up. Are we completely out?
Can you remove that?
Let's go. Are we clearing?
Is it good? I can't see.
Can we go up? Can we go up?
Yeah. Okay, we have all the screws. Alright.
Holy shit! It is a mess. All right, this is the starter. We're gonna relocate that, but yep, that's where it's leaking from, which means it's actually leaking somewhere out of here. So, all right.
Out of gear?
There's no more gears. Take the brake off. All right. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Straighten it out. And stop.
It's been a few days, we're still beat, but we finally got the engine out. Let me show you the aftermath. Over the next few weeks, we're gonna clean and tidy up the engine bay. But that's a story for another video. Like and subscribe to follow us on our journey. Until next time.